Use Kraken margin trading error. So once you're in the Kraken app, all you have to do is pretty much go to this section where you're doing a buy and sell trade. So you can choose either buy and sell, but if you want to use the margin tool, all you have to do is go to this thing that says spot, and you can put it up all over and it's going to say margin. So just go ahead and choose on the margin option. So you should be able to see your available margins once you have your funds, your recorded margin, current margin level as well. Once you put in your amount Ethereum, total USD, and percentages. So once you press and enter or let go, it's gonna put in the projected margin level and estimated fee with it. You can see and choose if you want it to post only, time in force, reduce only, and the conditional close if you'd like to add a one. So that's your own option. Then just go ahead and press on sell or buy if you have finished with your uh choices over here. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use the margin tool in Kraken. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.